Here we are at the New Harbor Freight catalog. They expire April 30th. And you got your inverter generator, those new tool carts, blue, black, and red there. There's a small pressure washer. I have the one just before this. It works okay, fine. If you need something for small jobs, it's fine. If you need a large job, it'll take a while. Then their new miter saw, that $400 one. Hey, they took 20 bucks off. There you go. Which I'm not sure if it should be bought by anyone, because it's real expensive, and it's almost as expensive as comparable larger name brand. So then you got your 3-ton rapid pump floor jack. It's not the low profile like I have, but hey, get the job done. You have trucks, that's fine. I have that canopy out front. It works well. We gotta patch up some holes in it. Then you got your large generator right there. A little over 500. Heard they work really well. Something new here. The 44-inch double bank roller cabinet. I have the regular 44-inch. This is supposed to be a few inches deeper. The drawers come out to about 19 and 3/8 inches, I think. I'll check that when I get to it. But the drawers are supposed to be deeper. And the price is a little bit more. Almost $100 more. And I probably would have gotten this one if it came out, but I'm happy with the one I have. There's that compressor I have. I use it very lightly, but I'm just waiting for when I start doing work on that Camaro. Yeah, I know it's going to conk out on me. So I'm going to get an oil one. Then you got a shop press, the Hercules hammer drill, which is just a little bit less than a larger name brand one. But if you're going to do it, just get all the ones with the same batteries like I've said before, because you want them to interchange. You don't want this brand, that brand, and then you have 5 tools and they all have one battery each. Like, yeah, I got a bunch of Black & Decker cordless tools, but at least I got 7 batteries for all of them. They all fit. So you got your polisher, gas pump. Let me see, what else is new? So Daytona is not new, but I hear that's really good. Let me see, got your earthquake. And then that's one I have, the 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. It's you got to work on the accuracy on that thing, but it's worth it. You know, 89 bucks. If you're not going to do a whole bunch of work, like me, I just need it every now and then. So, and that Yukon rolling cabinet with a workbench top. Yeah, it's not bad. I don't know what they think. They discontinued the one with all the drawers in it. Probably doing too much competition with the red boxes. Then you have their 2 workbenches here. Heard a lot of good things about that one. I built my own, but hey, if you need a workbench, you don't have time to build one, figure everything out, just get that one, and or this one, you know, whatever. Put them together, and that's that. That 225 piece toolkit. That's good. That's good from what I heard. I've seen videos on it. A lot of people like them. Oh, here we go. They have the new tool carts. They come up 90 degrees. They, what else is new about them? I think that's about it besides the color. And then you have the older toolboxes and carts. That 72 inch. That's nice. If I had the money at the time, I would have probably gotten that one. Called it a day. And then here we go, the double bank 44 inch toolboxes. Let's see, yep. 19 3/8 inch drawer depth. Mine is 16 inch. So, oh yeah, and the cabinet depth is 22 inch. I'm not sure how deep mine is. If mine is 16, mine's probably 18 cabinet depth. But it's not enough to make me cry about them coming out with a new series. And then the wheels seem similar, if not the same. And then supposedly these are new, the end locker and the cabinet. We'll see. I mean, I don't know if they'll fit mine. If not right away, I can always the lip on it. I can always cut a little bit of the lip off, stick it on there. If I can't find the cabinets that fit mine. Because from the picture, it looks like it goes to the end. Let me see. It looks like it, but it could be shopped. I'll have to go to Harbor Freight and check it out. Anyway. Then you got all your ratchets and your socket sets per norm. All their composite and their low profile. Breaker bars down here. What I'll do is at the end of the video I'll take a scan of all the coupons. Now this should be good enough if you take a screenshot of that. 20% off any Ames product. Portable garage, what I've seen a lot of people have, they modify, and some have made permanent. They just use it as a frame. Just don't put the cloth over it. Just put sheet metal and make it into a regular regular garage. Got your battery chargers. I think that's about it on the new stuff that I've noticed, at least. Maddox coupon. You can take a screenshot of that. Tire changer. I have that. I've yet to use it because I'm going to use it when I build up the Camaro. Alright, 20% off any ATV motorcycle or lawnmower. Lawnmower lift, I think. Yep. And you got your washers and blast cabinets, things of that nature. I have that adjustable seat that worked well, has worked well when I've used it. I like that with the drawers in it, basically sitting on a toolbox. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I used to do that a lot before I got the rolling seat. Just take a sturdy toolbox, sit on the damn thing. Super coupon, Badland. And then here's an up close of that UPC. And then, let's see what else. What else? Spray gun. $15. I've seen people use it on videos. Not bad. Not great, but not bad. Better than hand brushing your car, huh? 20% off. Oh, there we go. Any reflective heavy-duty tarp. And now they got their coupons throughout here. They have Vulcan. Heard some good things about them. So, they're welders. Ginormous weld cart. That's something in professional setting, something I don't need. They're smaller welders. I got the old 90 amp. Instead they replaced it with a 125. And that's the weld cart I got with that helmet. My kids found it one day and they decided to run around with it. That was funny. And then there are compressors, things of that nature. And then your odds and ends right here with their air tools. More air tools, their earthquake and all that. And their electric impact stuff. And then a coupon right there for the wet dry vac. And you got all your various electric tools, hand tools, things like that. Table saw. I think that's the one I have. Not bad. Got the job done. There, rotary tools, the Dremel tools. And the rest is pretty basic. Same shit, different day. Yeah. Band saws, things like that. Oh, there's their new miter saw. I've seen some videos, people that have them said they're happy with them. Of course, there are some cons, but you know, mostly pros. And here's where they compare Hercules to DeWalt. I guess. And they're older miter saws. That's the one I got. That's their old 12-inch. I've heard from Redbeard that they're gonna phase that out in favor of the Hercules. I think that's a mistake. Because people go to Harbor Freight for inexpensive tools, not great, still inexpensive. They don't want to spend $400 on a miter saw. When I was buying that one, I was pricing up all the ones at Lowe's and everything. And I said, oh, okay, and $80 for that. We had a coupon at the time, like 4 years ago, I think it was. And then I go to Lowe's and all that, double checking everything, like $300, $400 for their cheapest ones. I'm like, no. What I was doing, I was just doing some flooring, some wood flooring, and no. Hand riveter, I got that. I want to get that one. That one looks better. But mine works. I'd say I'm gonna get it, but mine works. All their wrenches. Oh yeah, their new Apache cases. A lot of people like them, and they say they're nice. They're tough. So they're pocket knives. I don't know about their pocket knives. $110 for a pocket knife, I don't know. Mechanic sets. If that had better ratchets, I probably would think about getting it. It does have a lot of tools with it. And they're smaller one. With better ratchets than that one. But and there, safes. Might as well make a wooden box. Am I right? And I don't feel like going through the rest of this shit. It's all the same shit. I'll just get back to the coupons here. Yeah, chainsaws. Chainsaws are fun. You have to admit that. And some more coupons in the back here. I'll scan all this stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.